This is Junkyard Revival. Big time difference. On a car that's been sitting here since the days of MapQuest. This is Junkyard Revival. Off to the next mission. I'd like to find some something we could do interior cleaner on, make it nice. Also some more citrus worthy vehicles. I know there's that one van, but like if there even was a camper or something, we'll just keep our eyes peeled as we walk. Any kind of interior, like let's look at this Buick Regal over here. What's that interior look like? It's cloth. The dash. Is the dash nasty? Not really. So this car's not. I was thinking maybe a wax, cherry wax or something on that, but we'll keep moving here. But the goal is to stay in this shaded area. I'd really like to find something to use heavy duty carpet cleaner, because man, you talk about one of our most popular from an interior perspective, can't hardly keep it in stock. Hopefully look in some of these cars here and see if we find a car that maybe it'll work on. About got bit.
You got bit?
I about got bit. I think it was a Wasper. And that's Wasper. I know you guys here from Ohio probably call it Wasps, but in Kentucky they're Waspers. So let's see. Have you ever heard it called a Wasper?
No.
You haven't?
No.
Really? Carrie had never either. They're called Waspers. I've never called them a Wasp. They're Waspers. And you think about it, it's a weird word, Wasper. And then once it's told to me, like nobody calls them that, I start thinking like, man, is that only a Kentucky thing? And I think it is. Let's see if this one, no, that one's not gonna work. That one's a little too dilapidated. This one looks like it has no seats. So, whoever was in that one looks like they may have been partying right before it came here. That one's too dark. Never would be able to tell a difference. Ooh, this one's light. But I don't know if, oh wow. This could possibly work. I'm gonna have a little work ahead of me. Oh, man. I want to clean this thing up, but we're definitely going to be able to tell how long this one's been here because there is a MapQuest in the floorboard. And MapQuest, in its time, was super innovative. I remember printing these things out and traveling all over and thinking it was the coolest thing. You didn't have to look at a map anymore. I was trying to see if there was a date on here. 2 hours and 55 minutes. Looks like they were directions from Marion, Indiana, heading to Marion, Ohio. Weird. But I don't see a date. But we know. It's been a while. So let me clean some of this stuff out. We'll tape off a line, and I'm going to put heavy duty carpet and fabric cleaner. I don't know if it's going to do anything for this, but this is our most aggressive carpet cleaner and one of our most popular. So I'm going to throw some of this stuff into the floor, try to get an area cleaned out here, and we'll put it to the ultimate test. and we're taped off. We're going to saturate it down and go to work. The thing about heavy duty that you really want to do is you want to let it sit for a minute to get its to really start pulling out some of that grime. This one, the good thing about heavy duty, the reason it's made is it's inverted, so it's meant to be held upside down and spray. So we'll let it sit for a minute and then we'll go to town. This is my favorite brush I use on upholsteries on cloth fabric, and it goes really good, and it's pretty aggressive. Obviously, if we were cleaning these in the real world, we would use an extractor to get some of the stuff actually out of the seat, but this is just to see what heavy duty carpet cleaner really will do. Let's dry it off here. Hopefully we had a good before shot, because what this has done, a little scrubbing product, big time difference on a car that's been sitting here since the days of MapQuest. Cleaned up. So if you have a car that has been taking a beating since the days of MapQuest, heavy duty carpet and fabric, you've seen it here at Junkyard Revival, that it is up to the test.